Welcome back. In regulation number 40, which is on the discretion in supervising AI systems. So the nominated officer responsible for supervising any AI system shall, so this is an obligation on this nominated officer, retain full discretion to accept, modify, or reject any AI generated recommendation. So if AI says go ahead with this, the nominated officer can say no, I won't do this, I will do something else. Okay, so AI generated recommendation or output within the matters falling under his or her charge, and shall exercise discretion with independent professional judgment and not biased by, let's say, AI's output. That's why I keep on saying that it is important for these regulations to mention something about automation bias, so that the officers are aware that something like this happens and we have to avoid this. Regulation 41, review of AI systems already in use. So AI systems already in use in courts at the time of commencement of these regulations, right? So we are talking about those AI systems that are already in use shall be reviewed by the AI Secretariat for compliance within a period of 1 year from the date of such commencement, and the appropriate authority shall determine the appropriate course of action in respect of any system found to be non-compliant. Okay. Emergency and fallback protocol. So every High Court shall, in consultation with the AI Secretariat, establish and maintain an emergency and fallback protocol specifying the procedures to be followed in the event of a failure, malfunction, or unavailability of an AI system or tool in the court. Right? So what happens when, let's say, in the event of a failure of an AI system, or it malfunctions, or it's unavailable for whatever reasons? So then we should know how to fall back to the previous mechanisms that were being used. The emergency and fallback protocol shall ensure the continuity of essential court processes through manual or alternate means, and shall be tested at periodic intervals as determined by the AI Secretariat. Now this part is important. Shall be tested at periodic intervals, because if it is not tested, then when required, the whole machinery might fail, right? But if it is tested periodically, then we know how to actually go back to this emergency and fallback protocol. So where a court AI tool fails or is suspended under these regulations, the AI Secretariat shall activate the applicable fallback protocol and notify the AI committee within 24 hours. Okay, this is basically when a AI fails, malfunctions, becomes unavailable. What should we do? Basically, we should fall back to our previous process that we were following without that particular AI system. I think that is it for this video. Thank you so much.